Hello, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, why not? Go ahead, I'll wait for you. Right, today I want to talk about ARM assembly programming again, and some of the things that I was doing to teach myself ARM programming initially. I did lots of puzzles and things like that. And today I want to talk about um, a program I use to learn how to do basically string manipulation as well as file uh, input, output, that sort of thing. It's a relatively straightforward program. You see this a lot, actually. They'll come up in programming tutorials or programming sort of tasks that, exercises and tests. Let me just quickly show you this one. It's basically all we're doing is we are going to reverse a string. So we just ask the user to input a string, and we're going to output it to a file. And if there's any errors, it'll stick it in the error message. Now this is a relatively simple and straightforward program, but it is not as easy in assembly language as it would be in C. It's not a 3-line program. It's going to take you a bit of doing. So I basically create an input string, a placeholder for that, a reversed string, an holder for that, and then I get the buffer length of the input string, and basically the file flag, which I'm going to append to the file. So this means each time it'll append a new thing to the file. Basically, it starts in main, it pushes the LR, and then it loads the message. It prints the message for the user to get a string. It then does fgets to get the message. Then it jumps to the reverse string function, which I'll show you in a minute. Then it opens a file name. It inputs the input string, the original string, and then it puts in the reversed string, and then it exits the program. Now the reversed function basically loads the input string, and it loads the start of the reverse string, and then it loads the comparator, which is 0. And then basically what it does is it goes through looking for the terminator of the string, and when it finds the end of the string terminator, it goes back 2 characters, so past the terminator and then past the line feed, and then it starts to copy from that character backwards into the reverse string. So it's basically loading the reverse string by moving through the original string backwards and sticking it in there, and then it puts it in the file. So it's really a straightforward program, and we can see that running over here. So if I just do an ls, you can see that it's there. So I can do it asks me for a string. So type that in, and then if we tap the out file, you can see that before I had written now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of the party, and it had reversed that one. This time I wrote here are the droids you're looking for, and it has reversed that one. So it's a really simple and straightforward program, but it's a very educational sort of program as well. So these types of little miniature exercises when you're starting out are really, really good, because it teaches you a lot about the programming language, and it lets you just do something that's really simple, and you can follow the logic of it. It's very straightforward, and it helps you to learn, which is the important thing, is learning. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. That's it for me today. Just a quick and easy one, and I hope you like these sorts of exercises. If you're a beginner, you can get these sorts of exercises all over the internet. Just search for sort of programming exercises, beginners programming exercises or intermediate or advanced or whatever, and you will find them. So that's it for me today. If you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.